guys, welcome to Learning with Aditi's channel, and in this video I am going to cover this poem The Chimney Sweeper. Okay, I have uploaded one video that is based on the freedom poem. Please see that, please subscribe, like, share and comment that. Till now I have received only 12 likes and 7 or 4 subscribers. It's not sufficient for me because it needs lots of hard work to make the videos. So it's a great request to the listeners that please subscribe, comment, share and like it. And I just want to tell that for liking, subscribing, share, comment, you are not going to pay any money. So what's the reason of not subscribing, liking these things? Please subscribe that. Okay, so I'm not going to make this video lengthy. So you are already aware of the poet's name, that is William Blake. So I'm going to say some lines about the William Blake. William Blake was an English poet and painter. Blake's first printed work as poetical sketches. He published his most popular collection, Songs of Innocence, in 1789. It is a poetry collection written from the child's point of view of innocent wonderment and spontaneity. So I have read some lines about William Blake. Okay, let's proceed. When my mother died, I was very young, and my father sold me while yet my tongue. Means, my is referring to the boy who used to sweep in the chimney. So when I was a young child, that time his mother died and his father sold him, and that time he don't know how to speak, could scarcely cry, weep, 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 weep. So your chimneys I sweep, and in shoot I sleep. Scarcely means probably. So probably he used to weep means he used to cry, 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 and he used to sweep in the chimneys, and he used to sleep in the place where coal, wood, these things are produced or burned. The soot means that only where coal, wood, these things are burned or produced. So there he used to sleep. Let's proceed to the second stanza. There is little Tom Dacre who cried when his head that curled like a lamb's back was shaved. Means there is another boy. The name of the boy is Tom Dacre, and he is crying. Why he is crying? Because the reason is written here. Let's read. Because his head, or you can say head, is referring to here hair. Okay. The hair which was having of Tom Dacre, that was just like a hair of lamb's back, and the hair was just a curly. Curled means you can say here to curly hair. Okay, but that was that hair which was having of Tom Dacre, that was saved. Okay, so I said, now again that boy who's referring here, that boy is only referring to I here. Okay, so he said, hush Tom, means it's just a exclamation statement. Hush Tom, we say this. Never mind it. When your hair has just become a bear, or when your head, sorry, not hair, head, when your head had just become a bear, you never minded that. You know that shoot where coal, wood, these things are burned, means that is referring to soup. You know that the shoot cannot spoil your beautiful looks. White hair is referring to beautiful looks. And so he was quiet that very night. As Tom was sleeping, he had such a sight. After that, Tom Dacre was quiet, and he just slept in the night. And he was just seeing a beautiful sight in a dream. Now what he's seeing? He's saying, let's read. He He's saying that thousand of sweepers. The name is given Dick, Joe, Ned, and Jack, were all of them locked in a one coffin of black. And after that, one and by came an angel who had a bright key. And after that, one angel came and he was having a bright key. See, students, I just want to clear your doubt here that you can say to angel he, comma she, comma it. Okay? But as here it is written he, so that's why I am calling this angel as he. So, and he just opened the coffin where the thousand of sweepers was locked and set them free. Then down in a green plain, leaping, laughing, they run and wash in a river and shine in the sun. And after that, the thousand sweeper used to leaping, used to laughing, and used to run and used to take a bath in a river under the sign of the sun. They necked and white all their bags left behind. So bag is referring here to work. The whatever works they have just lost that. They have just forgotten that. Okay? They rise upon clouds and spot in the wind. The meaning of this line is that they rise up to heaven on clouds and play in the wind. See, it's not reality, it's just a dream. Okay? Then again the angel told to Tom Decker that if he is a good boy, then the God will be his father. As Tom Decker was not having any parents, he was just alone. So, if he is a good boy, then the God will be his father. And so Tom awoke, and after that, what happened? Tom Decker awoke from his sleep, and we is referring to all the sweepers. Then all the sweepers rose in the darkness. Means you can say darkness here, dawn. Okay, and got with our bags and our brushes to work. And then the all sweepers took their bags and brushes to work. Though the morning was cold, Tom was happy and warm. The morning was very cold, and but the Tom Decker was happy, fine, and warm. So, if all do their duty, they need not fear harm. The meaning of this line is that if the duty will be taken in a correct way, then there will be no chance of fear of harm. So it's written by William Blake. I hope that you have liked this video. So after listening this, I hope that all doubts whatever you was having that has cleared. Okay, so if you like this video, then please subscribe, comment, share and like it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Please like that, please like it. Okay, so for now, bye. And after that I am going to make a video on another poem that is on daffodils. So for now, bye and thank you.